Here's how to convert to PNG for free. I created a file converter that works offline for Mac and Windows. You can check it out for free with the link in the description down below. So it's a drag and drop file converter. And if I have other file types like HEIC, or maybe I've got this JPEG, I can actually just then select the output after dragging it in, and I'll select PNG and hit convert. And it saves it right next to where all those files came from. And so they can be from different folders and stuff, and it still works. I created this app with my brother. It converts images, video files, and audio files. There's about 200, 300 different conversions that you can do with ConvertSave. And you don't have to upload your files to any weird, sketchy websites. It actually works offline. So you can even turn off your Wi-Fi and it will still convert all of your images. It can batch convert images. I've tried over 1,000, so whatever your computer can handle, it can do. That's ConvertSave, and it pretty much does that. It converts and then it saves. And if you're watching this video, you can try it for free with the link in the description. I appreciate your support, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.